Another great free tech tool is Biteable. Biteable is a tech tool that allows you to create videos. I used it to create my critical thinking video for this class. I would use it mainly for me or for my peers so that I could create video lessons or introduction videos to new topics for my class to get my students excited about what we're going to be learning and just as a short preview of what we are learning. So it's very simple to create a video. You just select create new video and it says I'm making a video too, and you get to tell them what you're doing. So maybe explain a concept, and then you can click find a template, and they have all these different options that you can choose, and then you would just edit them, or you can start from scratch. So I'm just gonna choose this, edit this video. You can change the wording by typing in whatever you want here in this text spot. You can change the font, and then you can change the scene by clicking down on the picture and either deleting, duplicating, or switching the scene. When you click switch scene, it brings you to animation, footage. You can upload or use your favorites. So if you choose animation, they have a lot of different varieties or types of animations you can choose from. So I'm gonna choose summer. And you can choose any of these backgrounds and add them to your video. So let's choose this one. So then that's my new background. I can type whatever I want. So imagine if you had the power to decide what you feel. Cool. Hit save and preview. And then it will upload and you can continue on. After you've edited all the slides to say what you want, you can change the timing of them. The only downside is that you can either do a short version or just the version that they give you. Then you can choose your color scheme, whatever colors you want. You can choose audio to have a good video sound in the background, which is nice because you don't have to search for different songs. And then you can preview your video. You can click build my preview and it will create your video for you. The preview building takes kind of a long time sometimes. This one seems to be going pretty quick. Once you're done building your preview, then you can watch your video and make any edits to it that you want. And then you can share it by either sharing the links or downloading it. Pretty basic, pretty easy. The ISTE standards that connect with it would be ISTE for Ed Leaders 3C, inspire a culture of innovation and collaboration that allows time and space to explore and experiment with digital tools, because I could get my peers to create these videos and share them with their students, and I could also have my students use it to create short videos in the classroom as well. It also aligns with 2E, share lessons learned, best practices, challenges, and impact of learning, because once I've used them and had success with them in my classroom, I can share them with other educators in my building.